Yes. What is going on, fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time's watching this video. Today we are actually going to go to Pat's house real quick to replace these cheese headlights. And if you don't know how to replace headlights in a 2003 to 07 classic Silverado, I'm gonna teach you that today. Quite simple process, but we're gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna wrap the bow tie as well with some white vinyl. So hopefully that spot up there is saved. That way I can plug the extension cord in. I got the heat gun and everything. And yeah, me and Brady about to go do that right now. Tell me how a bird shit in my wheel. A bird shit in my wheel, bro. How? Tell me that.
Full face, baby.
Woo, that was so clean. What is up? Just got all the packages from Patty's house. Here's one. Got my phone case and whatnot in there, and I got some wrap. About to wrap the emblem as well. But I know what you guys are waiting on. You're waiting on the headlights. So we're gonna pop these open real quick. Classic. Oh yeah, nice cinematic box opening there. Get it. Get it. Get it. What? They only sent me two? It's bogus, bruh. Bogus. Just kidding. Take her out, son. Woohoo! Cheese delete mod. Cheese delete mod. Yeah, so we're gonna install the phone case and whatnot first, obviously, because gotta have phone protection, you know? And then I'm gonna show you exactly how, step by step, take these off. It's not hard at all. Step one to replacing headlights: pop the hood, obviously. Then raise the hood. Come back to that one later. Then you're gonna locate these pins right here, right? Pull it out. So simple, you can do it with one hand. Place right here. Do this number right here. Boom, unplug. Boom, unplug. And then throw it. Throw it. Hard as you can. And then grab your beautiful replacements. This is my favorite part, getting new headlights. Dropping them. Favorite part. Throw that in your turbo. Alright, then peel these stickers off.
Ever so carefully.
Yeah, poke it in there a little bit. Boom. Poke it a little bit, get a side going up. Boom. Now, keep in mind, these are like $80 headlights, so they're not expensive at all. But they get the job done for these trucks. They're like really clear and amazing. So we're gonna put the, yeah, just make sure you're holding it right. Put the low beams in. There you go. It's all tight. Flip it over here. Flip it. Flip it. I can't reach it. Oh. And then put this one over here. Boom. Something ain't sitting right, boys. Cut the video. All right, so come here. Come around this way. So this LED bulb, if you do have LED bulbs, and they have the fan shroud built into them, it's gonna be kind of difficult. So you're gonna have to push it in there a little harder. And I didn't want to record while we do it. I'll do the next one though. But what we pretty much did is like these two little pins on the headlights. You had to line them on the hole first, and then push the bulb down and get it. So everything's sitting in now. So we're gonna grab the pin right here, and we're just gonna, all right, first and foremost, let's put that back. And we're gonna grab the pin, and then we're gonna line these up right here. Woo! America right here, son. I'm gonna line some guns up. Right there. Simple and easy as that. Hit the box. Hit the box. Hit the box. Yeah, when you get them out, put it in neutral, you hit the box. Alright, simple as that. And now, you completed your headlight install. Both these pins are in, looking a lot better. Now we're gonna give you a nice little comparison. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! But yeah, check it out, boys.
Cheese delete.
Cheese delete.
It does look better.
This looks a million times better. I knew it would though. Alright, so sorry for not showing you about that one, but check it out. I think y'all gonna like this one. This is everybody's truck should have a stick holding their headlight in. And that's another thing. These trucks are so amazing. If you're missing one of these little pins, just find a stick. It works just as good.
Just as good.
Am I right?
You're right.
I mean, come on. Come on now. Alright, so we're going to take it out. All jokes aside. Take it out. Boom. Just like that. Also,
Let me get that. Let me get that.
come here, let me sit. Huge shout out to LazyFit Auto Lighting for sponsoring me. Just picked them up as a sponsor for the build. Gonna be sending some low beams and some resistor built-in turn signals, so that way I don't have the hyper flash. And then that way, hopefully, when I get these Boost Auto part turn signals for the mirrors, everything will be perfectly sequential, no hyper flash or nothing. So I can't wait for that. Put my oh my god, I was riding around with it, dang. I was clapping the whole time. That's alright. So we're gonna put the stick right here. Make sure you put your stick somewhere safe. We're gonna unplug the headlights. And we're gonna fucking throw them in there. Yeah, he's hitting the box, baby. He's hitting the box.
Did he come around just to do that?
Yeah. Oh god, okay. We have built-in dirt right here. That's alright. Shit'll buff. So, peep it, peep it. Clean this up real quick. Alright, we're gonna grab the new one. Get on. Oh, yes. That's what we like to see. Check it out. Oh, almost forgot the most important step.
Poke and peel.
Poke and peel. That's what I gotta do, Calvin. I mean, Brady. Damn it, I'm gonna copy everything. Alright, so, like I said, these pins right here have to go in these notches. So, we're gonna do this first. Put the high beam in there. And then the low beam. Put this side in the grill side first. So this notch has to go like that. Then, you put these notches back here. Oh. Make sure it goes behind the grill. Alright, so that's good.
Get your stick.
Lined up in here, get your stick. If you don't got a stick, that's okay, but I prefer using sticks. It's just how I was taught. And then you're gonna line the holes up with your stick. Clean. Get a little gap right here, I think. I gotta adjust it, but these are new headlights, so the bracket needs to be adjusted probably. But yeah, after that, just pop the hood down. Stop. Stop! Go as fast as me. Alright, one more. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. I think the headlights turned out perfect. Can't wait for these new LazyFit Auto Lighting turn signals and low beams. Wrap the emblem real quick. Looks a lot better now. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
I don't got no problems, I'm on 19. Yeah, she biting cause she love, I'm piping. Siblings, cold drink, my dreams, 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 my dreams. I stay fresh, I ain't never outdated. Keep it real, all these niggas be hating. They gon' laugh when I tell them I made it. Money long, but they money be faded. Rondo, I'm back to the basics. Moving fast cause I don't got no patience. I'm a doctor, I'm fucking up patience. In her mouth, she deliver my baby. All these fluids gon' have us sedated. Smoking pressure, I get elevated. Moving slow like I work for the matrix. By my money, I'm getting impatient. Can't wait to say I made it. Baby, I'm getting impatient. Bleed your hair, my baby. Blue dreams, I'm chasing. Fuck your wifey. I don't got no problems, I'm on 19. Yeah, she biting cause she love, I'm piping. Siblings, cold drink, my dreams, 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 my dreams. Fuck nigga wanna change up, when he gets a little change up. You a lame for the fame, cuz killing shit, I'm dangerous. Paint a face like a painter. Drop dick like an anchor. She'll lead, don't think, though. Disappear like a flame, blow. But she keep on leading me on. I'ma fuck, I'ma leave her.